you see trouble, when you see wahala,
hey, my dear, your son is here again. Hey, is it TDK1? Ogun kan ememe. Emecheme abia here. I can listen to you. Thank you. Amadia. A child can only play with his mother's breast, but not his father's blockers. Amada, you're protecting me. I come to say thank you. 450. Am I gonna knock down now with it? 450. Pursue my enemies. Thank you. Thank you. Nice.
To be mumu. Many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
Finally.
How you doing, man?
Now I'm broke down.
Well, I'm just coming back from bank.
No bank?
Yes, I went to bank.
I'm sweating inside.
Serious?
I'm sweating inside.
A child can only play with his mother's breast and not his father's blockers. Oh, my own money for this lockdown. We shall see.
So, baby, you know, maybe I should give you some more so that you use that and prepare food so that we'll eat now. From there, we'll go out to food.
Money.
What? I don't know. Sorry.
I don't need it.
Baby, go my way. Baby, come. Baby, don't leave me please now. Ouch!
Which baby? No, stupid one. Which baby?
No, sorry, sir.
I will give God's money. God's never collect money. They can't collect money.
No, it's
Give me.
Sorry, sir.
Give me. Stupid. A child can only play with his mother, but not his father blockers.
No, sorry, I will give you.
Give me.
Oh, sorry, thank you. No,
Bring 2 goats so that you can be healed. Thank you.
Please, now. Now, come now. It's your son, no?
Watching that Crazy Thinkers comedy.
Yeah. We are still improving, going higher. Please, we want you to
teach you
subscribe.
English.
Deserve your English show. Thank you.
No mind these people. No mind them. The things are not fitting for God.
Please subscribe. Like our video. Share, please. Share, please.
Please.
Okay?
Please.
We are Crazy Thinkers. Come, see
you in our next video.
Please, I don't cry.
Thank you.
Subscribe. When I cry, I won't cry like this. Subscribe.